Welcome to amruthaias Academy. We have to see second chapter. In the second chapter, so here mainly social conditions, economic conditions, religious conditions, art and architecture, etc. They are there. 11th to 16th century topics we have to see in this. Mainly what topics we have to cover in this? Especially first and foremost one, Kakatiyas, one of the important area that we have to see. Second one, after the decline of Kakatiyas, Reddy kingdom that we have to see in that. One is especially this Addanki Reddy kingdom, one is Rajamandri Reddy kingdom that we have to see. Vijayanagar Empire, 4 dynasties they are there. Okay, Sangama, Salava, Tuluva, Araviti dynasties. After that, Golconda Qutub Shahis. So all these areas we have to see in this second chapter. Okay, so in this first one, so in the second chapter if you see, in the second chapter, okay, AP history. Second chapter AP history. One of the important area we have to see is Kakatiyas. So one of the important areas, Kakatiyas. So this Kakatiyas, they came to power according to some source, it is 1000 AD. According to some other source, 995 AD. And they continued till, okay, so 1323 AD. That's the period of this Kakatiyas. Okay, that's one of the topics we have to see, right? So here Kakatiyas, after the decline of, after so many years of Shatavahanas, once again they brought unity among all Telugu people. Kakatiyas only brought unity among Telugu people, like that it is said. Okay, so in Kakatiyas especially, who was the first ruler, who was the founder of this empire, at the same time dynasty? If we see, so according to some source it is said that, so Kakatiya Gundyana 4. According to some source it is Venna Bhupati or Venna Nrupati. Okay, Kakatiya Gundyana 4. So the forefather of this one, Kakatiya Gundyana. This Kakatiya Gundyana 4. He was of this dynasty that was started by this one. Kakatiya Gundyana 1, 2, 3, 4. In the period of Kakatiya Gundyana 4 only, this dynasty that was started like that, it was set. Okay, so Kakatiya. But Kakatiya empire that was started by, this empire that was started by, whom in the sense, Betaraju 1. He was the first ruler. Betaraju. This Betaraju 1, he was the first ruler in this dynasty like that. It was said. Even though he was a small boy, his aunt Kamasani so helped and assisted him in the administration like that. So this Betaraju 1, he came, right? Previously, prior to establish this empire, they worked under Badami Chalukyas as well as Rashtrakutas. When they worked under Badami Chalukyas, Varaham became the symbol. But when they worked under Rashtrakutas, so this eagle became the symbol. Eagle became the symbol of these people. But at last the symbol Varaham continued. In the beginning, okay, the symbol if we see, so when they worked under Badami Chalukyas, when they worked under Badami Chalukyas, when they worked under this Badami Chalukyas, it's okay. When they worked under this Badami Chalukyas, what happened in the sense? So there is especially, when they worked under this Badami Chalukyas, Varaham became the symbol. Varaham, that became the symbol. When they worked under Rashtrakutas, when they worked under Rashtrakutas, eagle became the symbol. Okay, so like that. But latter, which continued as in the sense, Varaham only continued as symbol of. So these people, which is the symbol of these people means, Varaham only became the symbol of these people. Coming to language, Sanskrit, that's the language that continued in the period of this one. Which is the language? Sanskrit. This language, Sanskrit that continued, Sanskrit language that existed, Telugu also continued, Telugu language that also continued, but mainly official language is Sanskrit, like that it was said. But illiteracy, there is a major problem which existed in the period of Kakatiyas. they are not literates, maximum extent. Okay, illiteracy, there's a major problem that existed like that, it was said. But some pandits, they existed, administrators, they are all literates. Okay, they are poets also, right? So like that, so this especially what happened in the sense, so this language that is Sanskrit like that, it was said. Language is Sanskrit. Then, so come to the dynasty. Okay, come to the dynasty if you see. Durjayas. Durjaya dynasty like that it was said. Durjaya dynasty like that. Durjayas like that it was said. Durjaya dynasty. Durjaya dynasty. Okay, Durjaya dynasty. They belongs to, in Chaturvarna system, they belong to Shudras. In Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra like that. So they are the Chaturvarna system, you know well. In Chaturvarna system, Kakatiyas belong to Shudras. In Chaturvarna system, in Chaturvarna system, Kakatiyas belong to Shudras. That's why only it is called Rudramayam. Everywhere Shudras only is appointed, they only administered the things like that, it was said. So it is called Rudramayam. It was called how? It was called Rudramayam, right? So this in Chaturvarna system, Kakatiyas belong to Shudras. This Kakatiyas belong to Shudras like that, it was said. In that especially Durjayas. Durjayas. Okay, Durjaya dynasty. Like that it was said. Okay. Then coming to capitals, which is the capital of this one? So this capitals if we see, first they started administration from Kakatipuram. They started administration from which place? Kakatipuram only they started, that's why only they are called Kakatiyas, that's one opinion. Otherwise it is said that they worshipped goddess Kakati or Kakatamma. Goddess Kakati or Kakatamma they worshipped, that's why they are called Kakatiyas like that it was said. Anyhow, Kakatipuram that is one of the first capital. After that, Hanumakonda became the capital. Hanumakonda became the capital. Later, Warangal became the capital. Warangal, this became the capital like that it was said. Have you got idea? So, if you see the capitals, these are all the capitals like that it was said. Okay. In this was the first ruler. Betarazu one was the first ruler like that it was said. So, and the greatest ruler in this dynasty was, who was the greatest ruler in Kakatiyas? Greatest ruler in Kakatiyas. Greatest ruler in Kakatiyas. Greatest ruler in Kakatiyas was, who was the greatest ruler in Kakatiyas, especially Ganapati Deva. He was the greatest ruler in this Kakatiyas. Was the greatest ruler? Ganapati. This Ganapati Deva, he was the greatest ruler like that it was said. So this Ganapati Deva, he was considered, was called the greatest ruler. He came to power in the year 1199 and continued till 1262. 1262 only. So his daughter Rudrama Devi came to power. Okay. Who was the only woman who ascended as this Kakatiya's throne? Rudrama Devi, daughter of Ganapati Deva. You know well. Who was the only woman ascended the throne of? Woman ascended the throne of. So the woman, who was the woman who ascended? Woman ascended the throne of Kakatiyas. Kakatiyas. Only woman who ascended the throne of Kakatiyas, that is Rudrama Devi. Rudrama Devi. With the title Rudradeva Maharaja, she came to power. But originally, this coronation ceremony that took place in the year 1269. Father asked this woman, you have to come to power, you have to ascend the throne of this Kakatiya empire. She said, what in the sense? No, my dear father, so there is on your name only I will administer. So, okay, till your life. But after that only, I will sit on the throne like that. So, this Rudrama Devi came to power. So, in the year 1262, but ascended throne in the year 1269. So, 1262 only she came to power. So, and ascended throne in the year 1269. So, this 1262 too. So, 1287 like that she continued. Okay. So like that, Rudrama Devi was the only woman who ascended throne. The greatest ruler in this dynasty was Ganapati Deva. Okay, Choda Kataka Chura Kara. That's one of the important titles of this one. Then the last ruler in this dynasty, the last ruler in this dynasty was, so this Rudradeva, there is especially what happened. Early Kakatiyas, they are there. Latter Kakatiyas are there. In latter Kakatiyas only we have to. Prataparudra II was the last ruler in this dynasty. So Prataparudra II. This Prataparudra II was the last ruler in this dynasty, like that. It was all set. Okay. In Kakatiyas, if you see, one is early Kakatiyas, they are there. One is later Kakatiyas, they are there. Early Kakatiyas and later Kakatiyas, they are there. Early Kakatiyas are 5 in number. In Kakatiyas, after Shatavahanas, these Kakatiyas only brought unity among all Telugu spoken people. That you have to remember, right? So then, in Kakatiyas, early Kakatiyas we are calling early Kakatiyas. Early Kakatiyas, so they are 5 in number. Okay, and later Kakatiyas 5 in number. Later Kakatiyas are 5 in number. Total 10 rulers they are there in this dynasty, like that it was said. Kakatiyas. Who are these early Kakatiyas? In this first ruler was Betarazu 1. Rulers. Kakatiya rulers. Kakatiyas rulers. If we see Kakatiya rulers, early Kakatiyas. Early Kakatiyas, if you see first one, Betarazu 1, Betaraju. This Betarazu 1 was the first one. Prolarazu 1, this Prolarazu 1. So then Betarazu 2, Betaraju 2, he was the ruler. Then Durgaraju, and at the same time Prolarazu 2. These are called early Kakatiyas, like that it was said. And after that only later Kakatiyas came. So their period continued from 1002. So 1150 days especially. So that period continued. 1157, like that it was said. Their period ended in 1157. 1158 only this later Kakatiyas came to power. Right? So like this early Kakatiyas, Betarazu 1 and Prolarazu 1, Betarazu 2, Durgarazu, Prolarazu 2. These are the rulers in early Kakatiyas. Coming to later Kakatiyas, if we see, later Kakatiyas, okay. So coming to this later Kakatiyas, if we see, so 5 rulers they are there. Later Kakatiyas. If we see this later Kakatiyas, okay, Rudradeva, Mahadeva. Okay, Mahadeva's son was Ganapati Deva. This Ganapati Deva, he came to power. So Rudradeva, Mahadeva, Ganapati Deva. Ganapati Deva's daughter was Rudrama Devi. This Rudrama Devi, she came to power. After this Rudrama Devi got only 3 daughters, no sons. Rudrama Devi got all daughters only, Mummadamma, Rudrama, Ruyamma. So like that, she married, Rudrama Devi married Nidadavolu Veerabhadra, right? Got only 3 daughters, that's why, what happened? So this first daughter's son, she adopted, Rudrama Devi adopted first daughter's son, we can say. His name Prataparudra II. Mummadamma Mahadeva's son. So this Mummadamma was the first daughter of Rudrama Devi. Rudrama Devi adopted. So this Mummadamma's son, Prataparudra II, he was the last ruler in this dynasty. Prataparudra. This Prataparudra II only, he was the last ruler. In 1323 only this was ended. In which year? 1323. So from Delhi Sultanate, invasions that took place, attacks that took place. So on this Varangal especially we can say. But what happened in the sense, so to protect this one maximum extent they continued, and tribute that was paid. Okay, so these taxes were paid to Delhi Sultanate, but at last what happened? Because of drought they did not pay this tribute. After the death of Alauddin Khilji, Alauddin Khilji's commander Malik also, he attacked this one. Every year they were paying nearly 2.5 lakh rupees. Okay, so tribute. But what happened? After the death of this Alauddin Khilji in the year 1316, they stopped paying taxes. At this moment, what happened? In 1320 itself, Tughlaq dynasty came to power. In Tughlaq dynasty, that was started by Ghazi Malik, otherwise we are calling Ghiyazuddin Tughlaq. Ghiyazuddin Tughlaq's son was Juna Khan. This Juna Khan later he was called Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Then this Ghazi Malik or Ghiyazuddin Tughlaq, he sent his son, this Juna Khan or Muhammad bin Tughlaq, against this Warangal. In 1323 only they attacked this Warangal. At last what happened? He was defeated in the hands of this Muhammad bin Tughlaq's army. Okay. Qadar Khan, Khwaja Hazi, they captured this Prataprudra too. So, and this Muhammad bin Tughlaq decided to take this Prataprudra to Delhi. While taking him to Delhi, he dived into the river Narmada and committed suicide. So, like that, later Kakatiyas are 5 in number. In this period only, Medaram incident that also took place, we had to discuss that one. Samakka Saraka fair we are calling Jatara, otherwise it is called Medaram Jatara. That also happened in the period of this Kakatiyas. Have you got idea? So, early Kakatiyas 5 in number, later Kakatiyas also 5 in number. Anyhow, up to 1323, they united all these people, especially Shudras came to power. So, here Kakatiyas belong to Shudras, Durjayas, like that it was said. Right? Sanskrit, that was the language that existed, so, and especially, but illiteracy, there is also a problem that existed in the period of this one. And art and architecture well advanced, well developed in the period of this Kakatiyas, maximum extent. So many temples are established by this one. Agriculture mainly, because so in the period of this Kakatiyas, hundreds of tanks were established for storage of water for the purpose of agriculture. Okay, so like that, cascade type tanks were established by Kakatiyas. Okay, cascade type. Cascade type means chain system tanks are established by these people. That's also one of the important points to remember. Right? Have you got idea about this one? They worshipped Kakatiya or Kakatamma. Goddess Kakatiya or Kakatamma. That's why only they are called Kakatiyas. That's one opinion. Otherwise, they started administration from Kakatipuram. That's why only they are Kakatiyas. They are called Kakatiyas, like that it was said. So, the people worked under Badami Chalukyas. When they worked under Badami Chalukyas, Varaham, that was the symbol. When they worked under Rashtrakutas, so this eagle became the symbol. At last, what happened? Varaham only continued as the symbol of these Kakatiyas. That you have to remember. Telugu language that was there, but official language is Sanskrit that only continued. First, from Kakatipuram, they shifted to Hanamakonda in the period of Betarazu too. In the period of this, especially what happened, so there is especially Ganapati Deva's period, Warangal became the capital. He shifted capital to Warangal and it was called Andhra Nagari, Ekasila Nagaram, like that it was said. So, we have to discuss what sources are there to know the history of Kakatiyas, literature that is there, literary sources they are there, inscriptions they are there, we have to see them, and after that all the characters, 10 characters we have to see, then administration, social conditions, economic conditions, okay, religious conditions, art and architecture. So, these are all the areas we have to see in this Kakatiyas. Have you got idea about this one? Right, thank you.